Hi, Language Tutor friends, it's me, Danny. Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm coming on this morning to make a big announcement. And I've been really excited about this announcement for some time. I've been working toward it, and I decided that I wanted to make this announcement today, March 3rd, because it is my 50th birthday. Yes, I hit the big 5-0 this morning. So I want to ask you if you would consider giving me a very small birthday present. Not that you owe me anything, but just a small birthday present. But first, let me tell you what the announcement is. So for years, I've had people ask me if I do any other kind of lessons or content. Well, as of today, I can officially say, yes, I do. As of today, am launching a brand new YouTube channel called Everything 101. Now don't worry, the Language Tutor will keep going strong. We're not going to stop with the Language Tutor, I guarantee you that. But my new channel is called Everything 101, and it can literally be anything and everything. You're gonna find music lessons, movie talk, military talk, recipes, all kinds of stuff. I'll be documenting some travel that I'm taking this year. It is literally anything and everything. So I'm really excited about Everything 101. So here's what I'd like to ask you to do. If you would click that description right below, go and check out the channel. Now, you know that magic number on YouTube is 1,000 subscribers. Well, I would be so thankful if I could hit 1,000 subscribers today on my birthday. I would be absolutely blown away and amazed. Now, it'd be great if all 45,000 of you would, but I'll take what I can get. So I would love for you to check out the channel, click subscribe and the notification bell so you won't miss any of the great videos that come out. Now, just a quick rundown. Right now, there's about 8 different playlists, and each one of those have one video in each one of them. But let me tell you, that's just the starting point. There are going to be lots more playlists and types of videos opening up on the channel, and lots of content that will be coming on the channel as well over this year and beyond. So I'm really excited about Everything 101, and I just want to tell you about it. Go check it out, click subscribe, the notification bell. And hey, I would love it if you'd help me hit that 1,000 subscriber mark today. That would be just amazing. But I want to just say I appreciate all of you and all your support on the Language Tutor. Rob and Jenny and all of us really appreciate you. And thank you for your support. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode of the Language Tutor. Hasta pronto. Au revoir.